Hi, we're going to be making some custard today. So these are the ingredients that you'll need. And once you have that ready, let's get started. You're going to put in 1 3/4 cup of milk and have it simmer a little bit. Warm up the milk. And add in 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just going to stir it for a little bit, let that mix. Here we have 3 egg yolk. I'm going to stir it a little bit. And then I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to mix it up. Should have this nice consistency here. Once that's done, we're going to pour half of the warm milk into the cup. I'm just going to stir it lightly. You're going to pour the egg mixture into the saucepan and cook the custard over some medium heat. Remember to whisk constantly, and it's going to take a few minutes until the mixture starts to thicken up. I would say about 5 minutes or so. And now what we're going to do is transfer the custard into this small little bowl here, or any bowl that you would like. I like to make it small so that my son can eat it. Now we're going to chill it for 3 hours or overnight. And once you have it ready, then just sprinkle some ground cinnamon and serve. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.